Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and we try to improve our game using some nice software apps that are now available for us. Right now we're trying out GTO Wizard, and in the past we've tried out a bunch of other similar solutions. You can check out the videos in the playlist, but today we're gonna try out something new with this GTO Wizard tool. We're gonna play a drill, and I'm not actually sure which one, but well, why don't we start with the mastering the button one. Practice pre-flop button decisions, either out of fire or facing open, single spot mode. Let's just maybe try and see how this works. Okay. So, yeah. Let's start. Okay. UTG opens, we show off pocket tens. Well, maybe this we can close. Nope. Okay, no, whatever. Ace 5 suited, we're opening. Also, that's just pre-flop. Okay, so this one's gonna be a quick one. Ace 5 off. I like raising with it suited, so I'm just gonna call. Okay, call is bad. Should be a fold 100% on 25 bigs. Okay. Yeah. Good. Jack 8 off versus hijack. We're gonna fold it. 5-4 off versus hijack. Again, I like to sometimes call here with this hand. Probably it's a fold, right? Yep. Ace 6 off. Gonna fold it. Ace king, we're gonna 3-bet. Ace 5, we're going off, we're gonna fold. 10-3. Folded versus an open. Jacks, 3-bet. And here we see solver is even shoving them because I didn't take a look at the stack size, but maybe, yeah, it's calling also sometimes with pocket jacks here there. Okay, 7-5 suited on the button versus an open. Gonna fold it. King 4 suited versus an open, fold it. 9-7 off, folding versus an open. King 5 off, folding. 7-6 off, folding versus low jack open. Ace 6 suited. Last week we get a hand to sometimes 3-bet. Let's see how often. 41.6% of the time. Well, that's not that sometimes, okay? It's almost 50-50 versus calling. Pocket tens on the button, we call an all-in from low jack, of course. Queen jack off, we're gonna call from the button. And the solver is actually folding it 70% of the time versus an open from under the gun, and it's 3-betting 17.5%. I need to take a look at the stack sizes, because again, here I don't actually remember what that was, and I cannot find that out. Oh, I can. So on 35 BBs, yeah, on 35 BBs, it's better to actually fold. Well, maybe not better, but we should fold a hand like queen jack off versus under the gun open 70% of the time, and then it's roughly 15% call, 15% 3-bet. Good. King 5 suited, we're folding versus an all-in. 10-6 off, we're gonna open from the button. Nope. You should fold it 100%. Opening this hand is too weak on 35 BBs. Okay. I will be opening very, very wide here, but that's too wide, I guess. Queen 9 off on 25 BBs versus cutoff open is a fold. King 9 is obviously an open. 8-6 suited, 25 BBs on the button, we folded. 6-3 off, folded. Ace King off versus hijack open. We're shoving sometimes as well, but okay, so we're shoving 100% here on 25 BBs. So on 25 BBs with Ace King off, you should just be shoving it. Don't bother 3-betting. The stack size depth is too low, I guess it makes sense. 10-7 off, folding. Queen 3 off. We're gonna fold it on the button. Jack 8 off versus an open is a fold. 5-3 suited on the button versus under the gun open on 25 BBs is a fold. Pocket 5s on the button versus hijack open is a call. Jack 8 suited is a fold on 14 BBs. 9-8 off versus hijack open. Well, I'm calling it here often, but I guess it's a fold. Let's see. It's a fold 100% of the time. 10-4 off is a fold. 10-5 off on the button on 14 bigs has got to be a fold. A7 off on the button versus UTG1 open. I think that's a fold. The fold 100%, yes. Ace Queen suited, of course we're gonna open under the gun. Pocket 8 on 80 BBs versus hijack open. I think is a 3-bet, but it's mostly a call. 73% call, 27% 3-bet. 4-3 off, we're gonna fold versus an open. 9-3 off, fold. 10-3 suited is an open on the button, but the solver actually folds it 100% of the time, even though calling or opening is a very small EV loss on 25 BBs. Interesting. Again, this hand I'm probably opening 100% on a 25 big blind stack and on the button, but I think I'm too loose here. 9-5 off is a fold. Pocket jacks on 25 BBs is a shove 100%. Nope, 85%. And 15% should be a 3-bet. 5-3 off is a fold. Jack 9 off on the button versus under the gun open is a fold. Pocket ace is obviously call. 7-5 off, fold versus an open. King 6 off, fold versus an open. 7-6 again, fold versus an open. 6-4 suited, fold. Ace Queen on 25 BBs versus hijack open. Is that an all-in shove 100%? Yes, we just learned that at the beginning of the session, so we are quick to learn. Queen deuce suited, it's gotta be an open, right? How can you fold a suited queen on 25 BBs? It's telling me to limp it. Solvers are weird, and I think this solver is probably mistaken. But yeah, it's folding here or limping 50-50. It's not opening at all. Queen deuce suited. Interesting. Queen 10 off versus an open is a fold on 14 BBs. Jack 10 off is again a fold versus an open from under the gun. King 6 off fold. Jack 4 off fold. Ace 10 off versus cut off open on the button. Now that's an interesting hand. I think we're mostly calling that, right? We're not 3-betting often. We're 3-betting 17% of the time. Okay. Queen 6 off. Gotta be a fold, right? If Queen deuce suited was a fold. Pocket 8s on 25 BBs is an open. Ace 3 suited versus hijack open is probably like 60% call, 40% 3-bet. Let's see that. No, it's a 94.4% call and only 5.6% 3-bet. Okay. All right. Queen 9 off, we're gonna fold versus an open. 9-5 off, fold. 10-9 off versus an open, fold. 6 deuce fold. Ace 10 off. This time we're gonna call because last time we 3-bet and this is a 33.8% 3-bet. But that's weird that a hand like Ace 10 off is a 33% 3-bet, but a hand like Ace 3 suited is just 5.6% 3-bet. 10-4 suited on 60 bigs, it's gotta be an open, right? Yeah. Queen 9 suited on the button versus low jack open. I would have huge trouble folding this, and I think it's a call, right? Yeah. It's a call or 3-bet. 2/3 call, 1/3 3-bet. Queen 9 off on the button. Nope. It's not an open, it's a limp. Seriously? Okay, let's play 3 more hands until 70. King Jack off, we're folding on the button. King 3 off, we're folding. And 10-9 off, we are folding as well. So we can stop the session and see that we got an 83% score. Not bad at all. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed playing for sure. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.